So we can represent is known as a glove vector. Now this is a very different approach from how Word2X were trained. What it does, it uses the co-occurrence metrics to learn the word embedding representations. Now glove stands for global vector for word representation. What it does is it basically uses co-occurrence metrics to learn the word relations, right? And the glove analyzes the relationships across the entire dataset and then uses conditional probability for finding out the co-occurrence metrics, right? Now, the glove was built based upon this particular co-occurrence matrix, but it will try to find out the conditional probability that and try to create the embeddings based on that. It will look at how often the words appear together in a large data set of data, right? So the embeddings that you now have will be more trained upon a large data set. And the key idea is, instead of just predicting the missing words like we did in Word2X, the glove will give counts on how often a word appears together across the text. If the word that appears in a similar context, then they will have sort of a similar kind of a vector representation. So let me give you an example to make it much simpler. Imagine that you have a data set of millions of news articles, right? And you see that in these articles, the king often appears very near to queen, throne, royal, or prince, right? And the apple will appear more close to fruit, tree, juice, and orchard, right? So now the glove learns these kind of relations by analyzing the word's co-occurrences that we just discussed about, right? So it captures the meaning through the probability instead of just guessing the word, right? Now, if there is a huge corpus which says that the doctor and the physicians, they will appear in a most similar sort of sentences across those thousands of articles, right? And these representations where the doctor and physician, the glove will learn the similarity between the doctor and physician and will try to basically give them embedding which would be close to each other. Now, it doesn't necessarily need to predict the missing words, right? It just analyzes the existing word patterns and creates embeddings out of it. Makes glove great for search engines and topic modeling as well, right? Now, let's take another example. Every representation or embedding that we have found over here is basically word level representation. But what about we want to understand the context based upon the documents itself? In the next video, we'll try to learn more about Doc2Vec, which was a system which was created on top of Word2Vec to get a contextual meaning across the along with the sentence meaning as well. So I'll see you in the next video and share it with someone who might like it.